bit from the light. I have the lamps that show in.
Oh, that's exciting. The material looks so nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's for October, right?
Yeah. Oh my god, wow. Let me take the plastic off. This is the one for our collection, which is a brown organza one. I just love the little weight of it. How sticky they're really, really cute. That's gonna, yeah.
I just love the little ones.
Yeah.
It's like a little pillow.
It's quite cool. It's quite cool.
Oh, that's nice.
And their lampstands are like
Big.
they're massive.
Yeah, they are.
It's gonna look really nice in that. Like an avocado. This one is it's nice. It's really nice, really patterned. But each lampshade will always be unique. But that's what I love about it. You never know what you're gonna get.
Yeah, what pattern?
Yeah, but that's beautiful. And this is for the Max and Huxford as well. I think that's gonna look very, very nice. Can't wait to see it.